Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to be participating in a wonderful Christmas collaboration. I hope you enjoy. My beautiful friend Claire from Claire's Crafty Corner recently reached out to me and asked if I'd like to participate in a wonderful collaboration. This is a DIY Christmas cushion or Christmas stocking collab, and these are my wonderful co-hosts. First we have my fellow Aussie Lisa from Live It Like Lisa. We also have Mike from Mike Life. Then we have Sook from Leanna DIY. And Laura from Crafty Not Shifty. Now I'll leave all these amazing channels down below, guys, so be sure to check them out as well. Now I've decided to do not one but two cushions for Christmas for this wonderful collaboration, and I started by shopping my own home. I had two blush pink velvet cushions, guys, and I decided to give them a little Christmas makeover. Starting first of all with this one, I'm going to add a snowflake. Now guys, I had a bag of white pom-poms that I got from eBay, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start by hot gluing a straight line down the middle. We're going to continue to add them straight down the middle. Now once you get to the bottom, guys, we're going to start the third from the bottom and we're going to branch out. You're going to do this to both the left and right hand side. You'll then repeat the same steps at the very top. We're then going to do some more pom-poms across the very middle. Then starting from the second pom-pom to the left, we're going to branch out once again. Once you've finished that, you're then going to branch out from the middle. We're going to continue to add 4 branches from the middle.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love.
Now once I had finished, I wanted to add my little pop of glam. So I took this beautiful brooch from Spotlight and hot glued it to the centre.
Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful.
I then started on my second DIY. Taking my second blush pink velvet cushion, I picked up these adorable little glam gingerbreads. They're made out of foam, guys, and they are from Spotlight. So what I'm going to do is space them out and hot glue 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom.
I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents.
Once all 4 were glued down, I then took some of those little white pom-poms again, guys, and I'm just going to do little buttons at the front of the gingerbread.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Now once these were all complete, I absolutely loved how simple and glam they were, but I wanted to add some larger pom-poms, and what I did is I took the larger pom-poms and added 1 to each corner of the cushion. These simple and inexpensive projects were so much fun to create. I always say to you, shop your own home. Give little things a makeover. It doesn't cost a fortune, and the best part of all is you can change things out every year and reuse things that you aren't using anymore. A big shout out has to go to my beautiful friends who I've collaborated with today. I'll leave links to their channels down below, guys, so be sure to check out their videos as well and see the amazing DIY transformations. A big shout out also has to go to my beautiful friend Claire at Claire's Crafty Corner. Thank you so much for inviting me, Claire. It was so much fun. So guys, this is my final video for 2020. I'll be back mid-January. I'll be taking a little bit of time off, guys, just to spend time with my family. So I wanted to wish you all a safe and wonderful Christmas and a beautiful 2021. And I can't wait to share more ideas with you. Please stay safe and take care. So Merry Christmas, my sweet friends. I'll see you all in 2021.